we'll eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs with our best music groovy.
Good night.
Kilala ko nun, tapos nawala na uli, nakalimutan ko.
Hi! Sino ako?
Bless.
Bless na ba?
Bless.
Oh, bless daw. Pasikat mo na. Babab?
Yeah! Oh!
Ikaw ang gusto! Parehas kayo, night person.
Night person, Gabi!
Happy? That's you! There! Bye-bye! Hawak kita ha! Oh, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Morning! Kumusta tulog? Happy? Happy tulog? Tayo ka na. Wow.
Gabby also wants to watch Mommy's vlog about Gabby. Huh? You're excited? You wanna do the paka paka paka? Paka paka paka? Oh, it's easy for you to stand. You can stand now? Like a strong girl? You can stand on your own. Gab? What? What can you say? What can you say, love? Did you miss Mommy? Oh, so strong, my baby, oh. What? Hey guys, so right now I am decluttering stuff and probably give some small baby stuff to other people. So we're gonna pass it on para naman magamit nila. Ayun si Gabby.
Hi.
She's Ate Gab Gab.
Ate Gab Gab.
Ito pwede pa to sa kanya. Yung mga yon, ipapass muna namin. Okay?
Uy!
Hey, Gab! Yan, cat. Daldalita!
Akyat. Ayo.
Nge! Nge!
Cute.
Like a cat yan! Like a cat!
So, bibidyoan ko yung pagpipicture ko kay Bababs. Babab! Tignon.
And Mamo!
So fun tignan. Alay mo ka.
Here's your picture. Look at yourself. Yes.
Okay.
So, this is her picture right now. Using this thermal paper. And then, I wanna see
how long it takes for it to stay clear. Nalagay dito walang date eh. Pero this was I think 3 months ago na. Oh, look at that Gab! You're still cutie pie here, oh. Iba pa itsura mo dito. Parang gusto mo tuloy bumili dito ng camera.
Baba. Layo na. Dami ng hair.
Yeah, Gab will eat taho. Without the arniban. Ay! Oh no.
Kinamay na agad ang taho.
Taho muna for morning breakfast. Wow. Later on, anong pagkain ni Kat?
Yum.
Tinola.
Tinola later.
Hi, Babs.
Yummy. Wow.
Hirap na hirap siya.
Wow. Viva.
Wow.
Mamam. Okay.
Taho
Ay. Yun o. Mini hands. Hoy, ako tsara. Ay! Sorry. Oops.
May gatas tayo sa ref ko.
Ayo. Sabi ka. Mr. Crab. Plenty of toys. Kaya na tayo.
Sige, go. Dahan-dahan.
Huh? That's my little swimmer. Baby. Gabi!
Gabi!
Babab.
Yan na. Ay, sus!
Ayun, maganda yun po.
Ay! Ay! What? Ay! Hello! Hello! Morning!
Yan, balik niyo, Gab.
Morning!
Sapatos na full na.
Ate Babab,
Daddy's little
saya-saya.
girl!
Punta tayo ng mall.
Daddy's little girl!
Walk to mama. Walk to mommy.
Come to mommy.
Walk
Come to mommy. Walk.
Hawakan mo din ang kamay, Riz. Maglakad
Walk.
dyan.
Pwede na.
And look at Daddy.
Bag.
Here's your bag.
Ay.
Bye-bye.
Look. Nakotse ikaw.
Hello.
Meron bigay si mama. Di ba yung mga pinili?
Hello, sige. Hey, Gab.
Pasok lang ako.
Hey!
Yeah.
Gab. Hey. Gabby girl. Hey. Gabby girl.
Ay, meron din akong ganyan. Wala to. Maglalaro si Mommy. Laro ka na. Yay! 2-1. 2 coins siya. Tiwala lang. Wala to. Prayer. Bye-bye!
Aching! Ayo, Gab!
Nice one, Mama. Terima kain!
Hi, Gab!
Kinakaw ko mali. Pump anywhere.
Breastfeeding.
Oo ka na, no? Water.
Mama.
Open ko lang po yung bar, ma'am. Fully cook na po siya, ma'am, sir. Para lang po ma-maintain yung heat. Okay. 10 to 15 minutes, hindi po lang dapat.
Okay, mine. Thank you.
Thank you. Ito yung parang yung gumagalaw. 2, 3. Morning!
Say good morning, Gab.
Morning, Gab!
Morning, Gab. Good morning, Mama Gab.
How's your stay here in Manila?
Vacation with Mommy and Daddy.
What do you want to say?
Mama. Mommy. Mommy.
Abby, look, oh, your new friend,
Kanino niya? Nanonood siya ng mga seminar at nagro-Rubik's Cube.
Wow.
At 7 months.
Oh, you have your gifts, oh, Gab-Gab.
Clothes. Happy yan?
Happy. Gab-Gab.
Thank you. Thank you for the gift, too. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the gifts.
Try natin.
Happy.
Kinain na.
Try this strawberry.
Strawberry.
Wow. Gosh, first, okay. Wow.
Gusto talaga.
Oh.
And last one, may strawberry.
Wow. Huh? Cute.
Favorite niyo, grabe.
Wow.
Punta agad siya. Ayun na. No?
Pink, it's my melody. Careful. Hey, Gab. Hello.
Pick a movie. I'll pick you up. We'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown with our best moves we can.